Often in relationships, especially in marriage, our partners are our looking glass. They become our mirrors. You've heard me talk about this in previous episodes. They reflect back to us who we are. The good, the bad, and the ugly, right? They reflect back to us the things that are in our hearts. And at our deepest level, I believe we often critique the very things in our spouses that we don't like in ourselves. And so if you're careful, you'll begin critiquing things in them that are often being reflected from them back to you. So you're seeing yourself in them, but you're critiquing you in them. Okay? So criticism is the first horseman. Now again, I want you to think about this. I want you to qualify yourself. Do you have a habit of being critical? And let's be real. It ain't just the wives. Husbands, I'm talking to y'all too. We could be critical as well. Come home, the house ain't clean. Why it's so loud? Or why the laundry ain't put up? Or the first thing you do before you greet your wife, you could be offering a criticism. Listen, I know I've been guilty of that as well. So just be honest and let's be real with each other, because these are things that research have shown, if they're present, can truly destroy your marriage.